continuation to Portia's speech when Portia turned dagger against Shylock, thereby entrapping him in his own trap. She mentioned about the various holds of law against Shylock. Now, Gratiano, beg that thou may have leave to hang thyself, and yet thy wealth being forfeit to the state, thou hast not left the value of a cord. Therefore, you must be hanged at the state's charge. Gratiano क्या कहता है कि रिक्वेस्ट करो ड्यूक को, क्या रिक्वेस्ट करो कि वो तुम्हें इतना पैसा स्पेयर कर दे कि तुम अपने लिए एक रोप खरीद सको और अपने आप को हैंग कर सको, क्योंकि जो भी तुमने अपने लिए फॉल्ट्स क्रिएट किए हैं, जो भी तुमने अपने लिए पिट्स क्रिएट करे हैं, अगर वो इम्प्लाई हो जाते हैं तो तुम्हारे पास इतना भी पैसा नहीं बचेगा कि तुम अपने आप को सेव कर सको, सेव इन द सेंस हैंग कर सको, अपनी पेन्स को सेव कर सको. So beg that you may have leave to hang thyself. Beg that you should leave to hang thyself. You should have this much amount of money so that you may purchase a rope to hang yourself. And yet thy wealth being forfeit to the state, and yet your wealth is supposed to be forfeited. Thou hast not left the value of a cord. You are not left even with a single money to buy a cord. You are not left even with a single money to buy a cord. Therefore, thou must be hanged at the state's charge. You must be hanged at the charge of the state. You must be hanged at the charge of the state. Duke, thou shalt see the difference of our spirit. I pardon thee thy life before thou ask it. Underline these two lines, very important. For half thy wealth it is Antonio's, and half comes to the general state, which humbleness may drive unto a fine. ड्यूक यहाँ पे इमिडिएटली एडवांटेज लेता है सर्कमस्टांसेस की, शार्लॉक को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए. क्या एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए? कि ज्यूज़ में और क्रिश्चियनिटी में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है. हमने तुमसे लगातार रिक्वेस्ट करी, 3 times मनी भी ऑफर किया, प्रिंसिपल भी ऑफर किया, बट यू आर नॉट रेडी इन ऑर्डर टू रेंडर पिटी टुवर्ड्स एंटोनियो. बट the moment we got to know regarding your trap, we are ready to render pity, we are ready to spare your life. यहाँ पे फ़र्क मालूम पड़ता है कि तुम्हारे रिक्वेस्ट करे बिना ही हम तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी को स्पेयर करने के लिए तैयार हैं. देन फर्दर वो क्या कहता है कि आधी वेल्थ तो तुम्हारी एंटोनियो के पास चली जाएगी और आधी वेल्थ जो है वो कॉफर ऑफ अ स्टेट, दैट इज ट्रेजर ऑफ अ स्टेट पे आ जाएगी. Thou shall see the difference of our spirit. You will definitely see the difference of our spirit. I pardon thee thy life before you ask for it. I am making you, I am sparing you your life before you ask for it. I am sparing you your life before you ask for it. For half thy wealth it is Antonio, because half of the wealth belongs to Antonio. Half of the wealth belongs to Antonio and other half comes to the general state, and rest of the wealth comes to the general state. Rest of the wealth will be coming to country's treasure. Rest of the wealth will be coming to country's treasure, which humbleness may drive into fine. Humbleness may drive into fine in the sense like we are simply minimizing your fine. We are simply minimizing your entire wealth into a fine. So what he says, thou shalt see the difference of our spirit. Here the difference of our spirit is seen, that we are pardoning you your life before you are requesting for it, because half thy wealth is Antonio's and half comes to the general state, which humbleness may drive into fine. Portia, yes, for the state, not for Antonio. Take my life all and pardon not that. And finally, Shylock was really unable to withstand all such stuff. कहता है मेरी ज़िंदगी ले लो, और जब तुम सभी कुछ ले रहे हो तो मेरी ज़िंदगी भी ले लो. क्यों? क्योंकि जिन रिसोर्सेज के ऊपर मैं सर्वाइव किया करता था, वो रिसोर्सेज ही जब मेरे पास नहीं रहेंगे तो मैं किस तरीके से सर्वाइव करूँगा. You take my life when you take my means whereby I live. तुम मेरी ज़िंदगी ही ले लो जब तुमने मेरे सारे रिसोर्सेज मुझसे छीन लिए हैं. So Shylock, nay, take thy life and all, pardon not that. Take your life. Take my life, not take my life. When you have taken my house, when you do take the prop, when you have taken my house, when you have taken all my resources. When you have taken all my resources onto which I was surviving. When you have taken all my resources onto which I was surviving, that sustained my house on which I was surviving, on which my house was there. You take my life. When you do take means whereby I live. You can take my life when you have taken, when you have snatched all my resources. You can take my life when you have taken all my resources onto which I was surviving. I'm repeating. Shylock says, take my life. When Shylock got to know that his entire property shall be confiscated and Duke had pardoned his life. Previously, his life was on the mercy of Duke, but here, Duke showing himself to be more kind in terms of Christianity also, he pardoned the life of Shylock. And what he says, no, take my life and all, pardon not that. Do not spare my life also when you have taken all my resources. When you do take prop, that sustain my house, when you have taken all the resources on which my house was sustaining. You take my life when you do take the means whereby I live. You can take my life when you have taken all the resources on which I was surviving. Portia, what mercy can you render him, Antonio? Gratiano, a halter gratis, nothing else for God's sake. Portia एंटोनियो से भी पूछती है कि शाइलॉक के लिए तुम किस तरीके से उसको मर्सी शो कर सकते हो, है ना? ग्रेशियानो क्या कहता है, एंटोनियो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक रोप दे देना इसको मर्सी शो करते समय, इससे ज़्यादा इसको कुछ भी मत देना. Portia says, what mercy can you render him, Antonio? Gratiano, a halter gratis, nothing else for God's sake. Antonio, so please, my lord, the duke and all the court to quit the fine. For one half of his goods I am content, so he will let me have. The other half in use to render it upon his death unto a gentleman that lately stole his daughter. Two things provided more, that for this favor he presently becomes a Christian. The other that he do record a gift here in the court of all he dies possessed unto his son Lorenzo and his daughter. Very important speech of Antonio. इसमें वो conditions lay down करता है उसको forgive करने के लिए. कहता है कि आधी जो प्रॉपर्टी मेरे पास आई है वो लॉरेंजो को जाएगी जिसने अभी अभी उसकी डॉटर से मैरिज करी है, और जितने भी शाइलॉक की प्रॉपर्टी है उसकी डेथ के बाद, शाइलॉक की डेथ के बाद लॉरेंजो और जेसिका की हो जाएगी, और जो रिमेनिंग प्रॉपर्टी है वो स्टेट के फाइन के उसमें ही जाएगी. सो ही मेंशन रिगार्डिंग द फाइन ऑल्सो. So please, my lord duke and all the court to quit the fine of one half of his goods. So he requested duke also to quit the fine. To quit the fine in the sense, if it pleases the duke to quit the fine, to be satisfied with the fine. For one half of his goods I am content. So he says, आप लोग जो हो खाली फाइन ले लो, सारी प्रॉपर्टी ना लो, और आधे गुड्स, आधी प्रॉपर्टी जो मेरे हिस्से में आई है वो मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि वो लॉरेंजो को दे दी जाए जिसने अभी अभी इनकी बेटी से मैरिज की है. To quit the fine for one half of his goods I am content. One half of his goods I am content. I am contented, I am possessed with. He will let me have the other half and use to render it upon his death unto a gentleman that lately had stolen his daughter. In the sense that Shylock will let Antonio use that part of property in such a manner that after the death of Shylock, his entire property shall be falling into the category of Lorenzo and Jessica. Shall be falling into the category of Lorenzo and Jessica. The two things provided more, underline two. एक तो ये था कि वो ड्यूक से रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि आप सिर्फ फाइन से ही सेटिस्फाई हो जाओ, और जो प्रॉपर्टी मेरी है मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि शाइलॉक की डेथ के बाद वो प्रॉपर्टी लॉरेंजो जेसिका की हो जाए. अब two things more, that for this favor, सेकेंड कंडीशन हो जाएगी, पहली कंडीशन तो प्रॉपर्टी को लेके हो गई, दैट ही शैल बी कन्वर्टिंग हिमसेल्फ इनटू क्रिश्चियनिटी. The other do he record a deed of gift, and the third condition that he shall be recording the deed of gift in the court all he dies possessed unto a son and daughter, that after his death, मतलब जो भी वो देगा मुझे प्रॉपर्टी अपनी डेथ के बाद लॉरेंजो और जेसिका को देने के लिए, उसके लिए वो राइटिंग में देगा, एक डीड ऑफ गिफ्ट बनाएगा, दैट हिज एंटायर प्रॉपर्टी शैल बी गोइंग टू हिज सन लॉरेंजो एंड हिज डॉटर जेसिका. उसकी जो भी प्रॉपर्टी है उसकी डेथ के बाद लॉरेंजो और जेसिका के पास चली जाएगी. सो प्लीज माई लॉर्ड द ड्यूक, सो एंटोनियो सेज टू ड्यूक दैट इफ इट प्लीजेस यू, you please be contented with the fine. Whatever property I am having, I want that property should be transferred to Lorenzo and Jessica after his death. To quit the fine for one half of his goods, I am content, so he will let me have the other half and use to render it upon his death unto a gentleman that had lately stolen his daughter. Two things provided more, that for this favor he presently become a Christian. Two things more, that for this favor, whatever this favor, what favor is being discussed, that we are pardoning his life. Okay, he shall be converting himself to Christianity. जो भी वो फेवर कर रहा है, लेकिन हमने जो स्टेट के पास प्रॉपर्टी सारी आई थी, हमने सिर्फ उसके लिए फाइन ले लिया, और जो मेरे पास आई वो मैंने उसकी डेथ के बाद लॉरेंजो जेसिका को दे दी. तो ये जो फेवर है उसके लिए इसको दो कंडीशन और कंप्लीट करनी पड़ेंगी. क्या? He shall be converting himself to Christianity, and the other that he do record a gift, that he will have to give it in writing in the form of deed of gift, that whatever property he is possessed with, he shall be handing it over to Lorenzo and his daughter. Duke, he shall do this or else I do recant the pardon that I late pronounced here. Duke क्या कहता है? He will have to do this, otherwise the way I have pardoned his life I shall take it back. The pardon that I have given him, I shall be taking it back. So Duke says he will have to do this, else I do recant the pardon, otherwise the pardon, the excuse that I have given him, I shall be retaking it back. Portia, are you contented? You, what does you say? Portia पूछती है Shylock से, क्या तुम satisfied हो इस decision से? I am contented. Clerk, draw a deed of gift. Now the next speech is the last departing words of Shylock, the way he is leaving the play, the entire play. After this speech, we won't be meeting Shylock now ever in play till Act 5. And here, described over here, what I pray you give me leave to go from hence. मैं तुमसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ मुझे यहाँ से जाने दो, मेरे पास डीड भिजवा देना, मैं उसको साइन कर दूंगा. हमें लास्ट तक नहीं पता चलता कि वो क्रिश्चियनिटी में कन्वर्ट हुआ नहीं हुआ. डीड ऑफ गिफ्ट तो वो साइन गेस कर देता है, बिकॉज डीड ऑफ गिफ्ट लास्ट एक्ट 5 में लॉरेंजो और जेसिका को प्रेजेंट की जाती है, बट वेदर ही कन्वर्टेड टू क्रिश्चियनिटी और नॉट, इट्स नॉट श्योर, बिकॉज वी वोंट बी मीटिंग Shylock after this. Now whatever will happen, that will happen from Shylock's side behind the curtains. I pray you give me leave to go from hence. I request you give me the permission to leave from here. I request you to give me the permission to leave from here. I am not well. Send the deed after me. Not feeling well, send the deed of gift after me and I'll sign it. Do you get thee gone, but do it. Go away from here, but do it. Bresciano, in christening shall you have 2 godfathers. Had I been the judge, you should have 10 more to bring thee to the gallows, not to the fund. Bresciano क्या कहता है? जब क्रिश्चियनिटी में बैप्टाइजिंग सेरेमनी होती है ना, बैप्टाइजिंग सेरेमनी इन द सेंस लाइक कोई भी पर्सन कन्वर्ट होता है क्रिश्चियनिटी में, तो लाइक 2 गॉडफादर्स होते हैं. सो इसमें बेटा डिस्कस करा हुआ है कि गॉडफादर्स जो है वो रेफरिंग टू द फैक्ट कि वो लोग उसको कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. बट ग्रेशियानो कहता है कि अगर मैं होता गॉडफादर तो मैं 10 और गॉडफादर को अरेंज करता और मेक श्योर करता कि तुम्हें क्रिश्चियनिटी में कन्वर्ट ना होने दें, बल्कि तुम्हें डेथ सेंटेंस दे दें. इन द सेंस ही इज़ नॉट विलिंग टू कन्वर्ट Shylock टू क्रिश्चियनिटी ऑल्सो, बिकॉज ही कंसिडर हिम टू बी more a notorious criminal as compared to a human or a Jew. In christening shall you have two godfathers. While converting yourself to Christianity or while going for baptizing ceremony, a person has two godfathers. Had I been the judge, if I would have taken the judgment, thou should have 10 more. I should have arranged 10 more godfathers. मैंने 10 और godfathers को arrange किया होता, but they should have taken the decision of sending you to the earthly hell, not to the font. Font is the sense, not to the platform where the holy ceremony is performed. I should have sent you to earthly hell, not to the font, not to the platform where the ceremonies are performed. Ceremonies of baptizing are performed. So this is the last part. One last page is left. We shall be continuing.